Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is kind of a weird pattern that I didn't really think about when we did the level of detail, and that's nesting kind of dimensionalized calls. So in this case, this came up twice this week, is you have a measure that you want to dimensionalize, so the count, and then you want to do some additional grouping over that. In this case, it's mimicking a window function. So you take the min of the counts that are grouped by whatever dimensions are in the query. And it wasn't working, I don't think at all. Wasn't working correctly, that's for sure. So I have a min count. I'll show this equal as well if I move Rome out of the way. I don't know if you can see this. But now you can do country. And so it's going to show the minimum count grouped by all the countries. You can see this equal is grouping by country, it takes the count, and then that becomes a subquery for the outer dimensionalize call. And this is something that other tools support when in their own level of detail things. So we should do that as well. So we got that working. That's it.
Quick question on the level of detail stuff.
Yeah.
And this is maybe actually more for the SE team. Uh, I don't really know how to use it very well, and I feel like a lot of this stuff is locked in your head. It would be great if we could start writing up some patterns for the use cases on these things, just because I think they do a lot, and it's sort of hard to understand all the different places to use them. So like even just like a community article that's just a long list of examples would be incredibly helpful.
Yeah.
And like we can go crib it even from other products that have the same types of things to understand the types of use cases, but it'd be really helpful to have examples because they do so much that I feel like I don't even understand like 10% of what they do.
I didn't realize people would be doing this nested thing. So it just wasn't working. It's like, oh, okay. Like it's a pattern that's used a lot in Tableau. And there's all these blog posts that show you how to do this nested level of detail calls. But there's also a great Tableau blog post that has like 15 like examples of how LOD works, and we could mimic that.
Exactly, that would be outstanding.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that.